Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Adam.
How are you today?
I am good. I am awake. That is already a win.
Yes, that is a big win. Getting out of bed is sometimes the hardest part.
Very true. For some people, the bed is too comfortable. It says, stay here.
The bed is very powerful. It has magic.
Yes. Today, we are talking about a very useful topic.
We are talking about your morning routine.
Morning routine.
Morning routine.
That means the things you do every morning.
Every morning, step by step.
This topic is great for English learners.
Because we use simple daily words.
And you can use these sentences in real life.
At home, at school, at work, everywhere.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to the channel.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps a lot.
Thank you. Okay, let's begin. Anna, what do you do first in the morning?
First, I wake up.
Simple and clear.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, early bird.
Sometimes I feel like a sleepy bird.
A sleepy bird is still a bird.
Exactly. So first, wake up.
Wake up.
Repeat that slowly.
Wake up.
Good. Now, after you wake up, what do you do?
I get out of bed.
Good phrase.
Get out of bed.
That can be hard in winter.
Yes, in winter the blanket is a trap.
A warm trap.
A very soft trap.
After that, I think many people use their phone.
Yes, many people check their phone first.
Messages, time, news, social media.
I do that too sometimes.
Me too, but not for too long.
Yes, because then the morning becomes very fast.
Right, the phone can steal time.
Good phrase, steal time.
After waking up, a simple routine is to wash your face.
Wash your face.
Yes, it helps you feel fresh.
Fresh and awake.
Then you can brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
That is very important.
Very important. Very, very important.
Good repetition.
Brush your teeth every morning.
And every night, too.
Yes, teeth need attention.
Teeth are small, but they are important.
They work hard for us.
They deserve respect.
Haha, yes, respect your teeth.
Now, Anna, do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink a glass of water.
Excellent habit.
A glass of water helps me feel alive.
Alive is a strong word.
But in the morning, it is true.
I agree. Cold water can wake you up.
Yes, it says, good morning, body.
Very nice. Good morning, body.
After water, I go to the bathroom.
Simple daily life English.
Then I change my clothes.
Good. Change my clothes.
I change from sleep clothes to normal clothes.
Sleep clothes. Nice phrase.
Sometimes people call them pajamas.
Yes, pajamas.
Say it with me.
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Great. Then what?
Then I make my bed.
Ah, making the bed.
Yes, that helps the room look clean.
And it feels good.
It gives a small feeling of success.
Yes, one small success in the morning.
That is a good start.
Some people do exercise in the morning.
Yes, stretching, walking, jogging.
Very good. Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I stretch for 5 minutes.
That is enough to start.
Yes, 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Very wise.
0 minutes is lazy.
Haha, yes, 0 minutes is very lazy.
But sometimes we all feel lazy.
True, we are human.
Human and a little sleepy.
Very sleepy.
After stretching, I wash my hands.
Good habit.
Then I go to the kitchen.
Kitchen time. Let's say the key phrases slowly.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Get out of bed.
Wash my face.
Wash my face.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Make my bed.
Make my bed.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Check my schedule.
Check my schedule.
Great. These are very useful phrases.
Yes, beginners can use them every day.
Now let's make it more natural.
Good idea.
Adam, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you wake up easily?
No, I wake up slowly.
Slowly is honest.
Very slowly. My brain needs a few minutes.
Mine too. My brain sometimes says, not yet.
Haha, yes, the brain is still sleeping. What do you do first?
First, I turn off my alarm.
Then?
Then I sit on the bed.
Just sit?
Yes, I sit for a moment.
That is smart.
It helps me start without rushing.
I do that too sometimes.
Then I stretch my arms.
Stretching is nice.
Yes, I stretch and breathe.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Good. That sounds calm. After that, I go to the bathroom.
And you wash your face.
Yes, I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water wakes you up fast.
Very fast. It is like a small shock.
A friendly shock.
A tiny morning shock.
Then brush your teeth.
Yes, brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
Good. 2 minutes is the usual time.
Some people brush too fast.
Yes, very fast brushing is not enough.
They do a quick dance with the toothbrush.
Ha, that is funny.
No dance, just brush well.
Exactly.
After that, I comb my hair.
Nice. Comb my hair.
I also look in the mirror.
And what do you say?
I say, good morning.
To yourself?
Yes, why not?
That is a good habit.
It can make you feel positive.
Positive words are powerful.
Yes, simple words can help.
Then you change your clothes.
Yes, I choose something comfortable.
Comfortable is important.
Especially for a busy day.
Do you make your bed every day?
I try to.
Good answer.
Not every day, but I try.
That is honest English.
Yes, honest English.
Making the bed is a small habit.
But it makes the room look better.
And it makes you feel ready.
Ready for the day.
Exactly.
After that, I go to the kitchen.
Time for breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is important
Very important.
because it gives energy.
Energy for school, work, study, everything.
What do you eat?
Sometimes eggs, bread, and cheese.
Nice. That sounds good.
Sometimes I eat fruit too.
Fruit in the morning is refreshing.
Yes, or oats.
Oats are healthy.
Very healthy.
I like simple breakfasts.
Me too. Simple is good.
Simple and fast.
Yes, because mornings are busy.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Not every day.
Why not?
Sometimes I drink tea.
Tea again, the quiet friend.
Yes, the quiet friend.
Coffee and tea are both good.
True.
Some people drink milk.
Yes.
Some people drink juice.
Also yes.
Everyone has a different routine,
That is true.
but the idea is the same.
Yes, start the day well.
Start the day with good habits.
Good habits. Say it slowly.
Good habits.
Good habits.
Great.
Now, Anna, let's imagine a beginner learner.
Okay,
A learner wakes up and wants to speak English.
good idea.
What sentences can they use?
They can say, I wake up early.
Good.
I wash my face.
Good.
I brush my teeth.
Good.
I drink water.
Good.
I eat breakfast.
Excellent. I go to work.
Or I go to school.
Yes, very useful.
I check my phone.
Yes.
I make my bed.
Nice.
I get ready.
Great sentence.
I am ready for the day.
Very good.
Ready for the day.
Ready for the day.
Perfect.
Let's do a small practice conversation.
Good.
I will ask.
Great.
What do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I get out of bed and wash my face.
Nice.
What do you do after you brush your teeth?
After I brush my teeth, I drink water.
Good.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I check my schedule.
Excellent.
What do you do before you leave home?
Before I leave home, I make sure I have my phone, keys, and wallet.
Very useful.
Phone, keys, and wallet.
Yes, the 3 important things.
If you forget them, the day gets messy.
Very messy.
Like a small morning disaster.
Haha, yes.
Adam, do you ever speak to yourself in the morning?
Yes, I say, come on, Adam, you can do it.
That is nice.
Sometimes I say, one step at a time.
That is a good phrase.
One step at a time.
One step at a time.
Very important for learners, too.
Yes, do not rush.
Learn slowly.
Speak slowly.
And keep going.
Yes, keep going.
Many beginners feel shy.
That is normal.
Very normal.
But small practice every day helps.
Yes, even 5 minutes.
5 minutes is better than nothing.
Exactly.
Can we talk about a busy morning?
Of course.
In a busy morning, what do people do?
They wake up late.
Oh no.
They rush to the bathroom.
They brush their teeth very fast.
They eat breakfast quickly.
Or they skip breakfast.
Not good.
Then they run to work or school.
Yes, that kind of morning feels stressful.
Stressful and noisy.
So a better routine is helpful.
Yes, a calm morning is better.
Calm morning. Good phrase.
Calm morning.
Calm morning.
Let's repeat some useful sentences again.
Good idea.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I check my schedule.
I check my schedule.
I get ready for the day.
I get ready for the day.
Excellent.
These are easy sentences, but very useful.
Yes, easy English can be powerful.
Absolutely.
Adam, what is your favorite breakfast?
My favorite breakfast is eggs, toast, and tea.
Nice.
What about you?
I like yogurt, banana, and cereal.
Healthy and simple.
Yes, and fast.
Fast breakfast is important for busy people.
Especially students and workers.
Yes, many people are busy in the morning.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Sometimes.
What kind of music?
Calm music.
That sounds relaxing.
It helps me feel peaceful.
Some people like silence.
Yes, silence is good too.
Silence in the morning can feel nice.
Very nice.
But not too much silence. Then I feel like I forgot something.
Haha, yes. Then the mind starts asking questions.
Did I close the door? Did I bring my bag?
Exactly.
Morning brains are funny.
Very funny.
Sometimes they are slow.
Like a computer starting up.
Yes, very accurate.
Old computer energy.
But after a while, everything works.
Yes, after coffee or tea.
Very true.
Let's make a mini dialogue for learners.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well, thank you.
What do you do every morning?
I wake up, wash my face, and brush my teeth.
Nice.
Then I drink water and eat breakfast.
Great.
What about you?
I wake up early, make my bed, and check my schedule.
Perfect.
That was easy, right?
Yes, very easy.
Beginners can repeat this many times.
Repeat, repeat, repeat.
Yes, repetition helps memory
And listening.
and speaking.
Very good.
Now let's talk about a good morning habit.
One good habit is to wake up at the same time.
Yes, that helps the body.
Another good habit is to drink water.
Yes, water first is a great idea.
Another good habit is to avoid the phone for a few minutes.
Good point.
Because the morning should feel calm,
Yes, not rushed,
not messy,
not stressful.
and not too much screen time.
Correct.
Then you can start the day with a clear mind.
A clear mind. Nice phrase.
Clear mind.
Clear mind.
Let's do one more funny part.
Okay.
Some people say, I will wake up early.
Yes.
Then the alarm rings.
Ring ring.
They press snooze.
Just 5 more minutes.
Then 5 more.
Then 5 more again.
Then suddenly it is late.
Oh no.
The bed won.
The bed always tries to win.
Yes, it is a strong enemy.
A soft enemy.
Haha, yes.
But we can win too.
With discipline.
And good habits.
Exactly.
Now let's slowly repeat the morning routine one more time.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I change my clothes.
I change my clothes.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I check my schedule.
I check my schedule.
I start my day.
I start my day.
Wonderful.
That was clear and simple.
Yes, and very useful for learners.
We hope you practiced with us.
And we hope you feel more confident now.
Remember, small habits make a big difference.
Small habits, big results.
Very nice.
Before we finish, let's ask a question.
Yes, a question for the viewers.
What is your morning routine?
Tell us in the comments.
What do you do first in the morning?
Do you wake up early or late?
Do you drink tea, coffee, or water?
Do you make your bed?
Tell us your favorite morning habit.
Yes, we want to know.
And do not worry.
Keep it simple.
Simple English is good English.
Very good English.
Thanks for learning with us today.
You did a great job.
Keep practicing every day.
Slowly and clearly.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.